Hello everybody, I wanted to show you how to cut tile with a Harbor Freight Drill Master 4.5 inch tile saw. I got a wet blade on it, I got the water in it that you put in it, and I got this there guide set up on the size I want to cut it here. This will be a little noisy, so I apologize, but here we go. I got the blade on there, I got the guide on it like I want. So we'll take this here tile and we'll see how good it cuts. And that's all there is to cutting a tile on a Harbor Freight tile saw. It's a great little saw for the price that I paid for it. Only thing is, you might not want to do it inside, as you can see I got water running off from where it ran off the tile here. But it's got a nice smooth edge. It's not sharp or anything. And it cut a nice straight line on it. So that's all there is to cutting tile for your bathroom or your flooring or whatever. And I picked this up at Harbor Freight for about 1/3 of the price you'd pay for a regular tile saw. So check out Harbor Freight and their tile saws, and watch out for some more of my videos, and don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and have a great day everybody. Bye.